Hey guys, Brendan here with TJ Free. In this video, we're going to look at the game Minetest. This is a free and open source game that runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac, and it's very similar to Minecraft. So you're this 3D kind of boxy character, and you go around and you build blocks, and you can mine for different elements and minerals in the ground and build and craft things. You can play multiplayer, so this is my two kids playing right now, and they play this game a lot and they love it. So if you're familiar with Minecraft, everything's going to look very, very familiar to you in this. It looks a little bit off, some of the textures are different, but as far as the gameplay goes, it's very similar. It also has different mods, so you can do get into like creative mode and fly around. You can install mods, some modifications to the game, and you can even build your own characters and your own elements of the game. And it's, like I said, it's open source, so it's very open and well documented. And there's a pretty cool community behind Minetest as well. Not nearly as large as Minecraft, but there are different servers you can get on and all kinds of different maps and mods that you can download and and maybe even add to and contribute and share your own maps and games. So you can fight with different characters. You can die in the game if you're playing in what's called survival mode. You have characters you can interact with and trade. Here's a mod of like a barbecue grill, so there's even some more modern elements as well. This is like the nether portal that's kind of popular in Minecraft, I believe. I'm not really big into Minecraft or Minetest, and in fact all of this video footage was just captured by my children. I just asked them to play this game and do some recording using Open Broadcast Studio, so I didn't really record any of this, literally. This is all them just playing. My 6, 8, and 10-year-olds. Like I said, they play and love this game. So a great game for kids. It teaches a lot of creativity as well, and it's a good game. You can build some kind of complex stuff with it too. So there's different things. Here's a pair of like binoculars that you can use to zoom in and look around. You've got maps you can look at, and there's different game elements you can do as well. Like here's a game I believe that was downloaded where you can capture different gems, or you can go around and find different gems. And this is a whole game built around, I believe this is in like a castle. You have to find gems and find different types of metals and elements, and then you can do like gold smelting. Anyway, and you can unlock. You can basically use this to build your own types of gameplay within this 3D world. Here's like smelting, melting little pieces of gold and using coal to smelt it into gold bars. Like I mentioned before, though, if you're familiar with Minecraft at all, this is going to seem very familiar. Although I would imagine coming over from Minecraft, there may be some frustrations. If anytime you're coming from a game that you already know to a new game, you might have a preference towards the original one. Fortunately, my kids grew up playing Minetest, and they play Minecraft now a little bit. And I guess they're not even really grown up, but they love Minetest. It's kind of their primary game because they're so familiar with it. Here's a car mod. This is my daughter playing. She built this track, and then just to demonstrate this car, there's a couple vehicles she's going to demonstrate here. There's a helicopter that you can get in, and so you place the helicopter, then you can get in and actually fly and control this helicopter around. I'm not sure if I can link to some of these mods or not because my kids installed them as well. They kind of run with this. Here's a jet mod that they've put in where you can fly a jet around. Here's my daughter building a dock, and then she's going to put a boat and just kind of cruise around in this little boat. This is sped up. A lot of this stuff is sped up, 4 or 5x speed. And then this I wanted to show. This is a cool game that my kids made too. So this is a kind of a pretty intricate game where I think you're Santa Claus, and you have to go around and put presents. So you have to go to the gift and then deliver presents, and then go to the North Pole and get more gifts. So kind of an interesting game, and there's little maps and clues along the way and signs telling you what to do. But this entire thing was just made from scratch. I think it relies on a couple different, like a teleportation mod and some mods to the game. But yeah, it's just a really fun way. I really enjoy seeing my kids express their creativity and create kind of intricate plots and games. Here's visiting the North Pole, and there's things you have to like give a hot dog to the elves for some reason, but then different things that you do unlock different. It actually affects the gameplay, so there's a real game aspect happening beyond just this creative world. So hopefully this video has been informative for you. I'll include the links to download this game, Minetest, and yeah. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll catch you in the next video.